First thing to do is open the spreadsheet with all the prices on. That's in Dropbox, pots, prices and shipping, trade price, X-list 3 with retail prices. So there we go. And the next thing to do is to open the catalogue. So if we're looking up this LT36, we can make sure we can give it a description to see what it is. So that's on this link, which I will email. Okay, and then we need to log into OpenCart's panel. So the URL is fpots.co.uk/admin, and I sent you the username and password earlier. Log in. Okay, and let's go to Catalogue, Products. I've done the first set that you can see that I've marked them on the spreadsheet that they're done. So the next ones is LT3636A. So let's look that up in Lamvale's brochure first. 3636.
So put a 5-minute dragon under the tree to guard the apples. It was a terrible 5-minute dragon. But even frightened Harold, who backed away, his hand holding the bloody bone shook. Suddenly he realised what was happening, but by then Harold was over his head in the ocean. He was drawing some waves. He came up thinking fast, and in no time he was climbing aboard to make the boat. Quickly set sail, and the moon sailed along with him. He was drawing long things to save him. After he had sailed long enough, Harold made land.
Well, it looks like we can't be sure which ones they are. So let's try this 3600A. There we go. 3600 3 sets. So we notice that right, it's page 6, slate effects planters. Just copy that. There we go. So this one, because we can't find it in the brochure, need to ask Lamvale what it is.
But as he looked down over the other side, he slipped, and there wasn't any other side of the room. He was falling. But luckily he kept his wits in the temple zone. He made a balloon and he grabbed onto it. He made a basket under the balloon big enough to stand in.
So on these ones.
He had a fine view of the balloon, so he couldn't see a window, but couldn't even see a house.
So let's go back to OpenCart, and the easiest way to do it is to choose one and do copy. So that creates a copy next to it there, and you can see it's disabled. The new one's always disabled. Edit. So this is also a slate effect planter, so we don't need to change that. The dimensions are 24 by 24 by 30. This description, this is quite a standard description for everything, so that doesn't need changing. So that's that one. Data, like the product, so it's 3600-A. 36
The purple crown dropped on the floor and
100-A.
dropped off the sleeve.
Image, we need to change that for the right one, which is in image pots and planters. Now these file names don't exactly tie up, so you just need to check that it's the right image. There's that one. Could it be that? No, properly square. No. Yes. A 3600. So that's that. Dimensions. We know that. Just check. 24, 24, 30. 24, 24, 30 centimetre. Don't know the way it's status. Change it to enabled. Links, just leave it. Attribute, leave it. Option. Now this is the available colours. So let's see what's available. This one. 4, 53 and 34. Let's have a look. 4, 53 and 34. So they're already there. So that's all good. Discount, ignore that. Special, ignore that. These pictures, these are the old pictures, but from the copy, so we'll remove those. Reward point. Now the reward points, I've got a column here for what we should have. Reward points, and so you can buy it with 144 reward points, and then you can earn 14. And design stays as product. Okay, so save. Now that one's added there. Right, so we can see if that's working by just going to the website. fpots. Oh. Pots and planters, that's the category for them all at the moment. And there it is, 2160. Is that right? No, because it should be 1440. Okay, so I've done that wrong. So okay, good job I checked that, because it's, if I save this, it's still going to give the wrong 1440. And that's added VAT on top, which it shouldn't have. So let's just stick on there. So that's actually £12 net, so you have to put that price. Data 12. Okay, save. Okay, now let's check it. 1440. You can go to the page, make sure the code's right, the reward points are right, the price and reward points is right. And you can choose any of the colours, that's right. Description's there. That's it. So that's one. So basically go through and add all of those. And then for the sets, like this one here, There's a set here for A, B and C. So to add this set, you can see how I've done here, A, B, C, A, B, C. So we copy this, copy, and then look for the disabled one, edit. It's a set of 3.
The time has come for the seagull's babies to be born. Mrs. Seagull's wriggled and twisted, this way and that. At last the babies tumbled out of Mr. Seagull's pouch and swam away. One baby turned around into the pouch. Oh no, said Mr. Seagull.
24, 24,
ready to go home. The all swam into the ocean. Oh, off they go.
29, 29, 40.
That one.
36, 36, 48.
I'm not scared. Baby owl
Data.
decided to take owl
A, B, C. Now the price is 45.
Don't be scared, baby owl. What are you doing there? So late. Sheridan, it's past your bedtime.
That's okay. Dimensions, we don't put anything because it's a set. Enabled, that's fine, that's fine. That's the right colours, just check. Yep. Reward points, look, 54, 540, 540, 40. And that's it. Just be careful that the description slate effect planters fits the product. Like for example, wood effect planters would be the name that you'd give it here when you enter the product name in there. Maybe put a few words of different description in the different categories so it's not all identical. Make sure the dimensions are right. Make sure the price is the one not including VAT. Make sure the product code's right. Make sure it's got the right picture. Make sure the dimensions are right except on the sets, and make sure it's enabled. Make sure the reward points are right, and I think that's it.